Welcome to Teacher T English!
What English will we learn today?
Let's learn about trees. What can you see? Branches. A bird's nest. A tree trunk. Let's go and have a look at some real trees. Here is a forest, also known as woods. There is a river in the forest and a footpath. Here are leaf piles. We have made 3 piles of autumn leaves. This is a tree stump. It's a small part of the base of the tree. You can see the tree's bark. This is a tree hollow. Mushrooms are growing in this hollow. Tree trunk. Under the tree trunk are the roots. They grow underground. Here are the branches. Leaf collecting. In autumn, the leaves fall. Moss is growing on the tree trunk. When the forest is very dark and damp, moss and mushrooms like to grow. Winter trees. These are evergreens. They stay green even in winter. Their leaves are spiky and prickly. This evergreen is called a pine tree. Here are my sticks. I like stick collecting. It's so much fun. This is my pile of sticks. Here is a winter tree. Most trees in winter lose their leaves. Their branches are bare. Wow, well done, using all that tree vocabulary. Let's have a closer look at the parts of a tree. Leaves grow at the top of the tree. Under the leaves are the branches. The leaves grow on the branches. The main part of the tree is the tree trunk. On the tree trunk, there is bark. Sometimes there will be a hole called a hollow in the tree trunk. Animals can live there. Under the trunk are the roots. They are usually under the soil, but sometimes you can see them on the ground. This is a summer tree. We know because there are so many lovely leaves growing and it's very green. Let's have a look at some different types of trees, their leaves and their special features. Here is a maple tree. In autumn, they are a beautiful color. These are maple leaves. They look like a hand. You can get maple syrup from a maple tree trunk. This is a big old oak tree. These are the oak tree leaves. They have a curvy shape. Acorns grow on oak trees. You can see them in autumn. Here is a pine tree, a type of evergreen. Here are the spiky pine leaves, where you can find pine cones. Inside the pine cones are pine nuts. Here is a willow tree. The willow branches hang low and the leaves hang down to the ground. It's fun to hide in them. Here are willow leaves. Wow, well done! You've looked at so many features of trees and learned many new words. Go outside and see what types of trees are in your neighbourhood. Well done watching this video. Now make sure you go and subscribe now to my channel. just press the subscribe button. Then you won't miss out on our future videos. If you're interested in learning to read, you can also subscribe to my Mama T Phonics channel, which is also on YouTube. At home, you can also take part in lots of learning for reading, spelling, writing and speaking. Have a look on my Teachers Pay Teachers and Etsy shop. Just search Mama T Phonics.